Welcome back to the exchange. Stocks are continuing to drift lower, with the Dow down 495 points just a couple of moments ago, and the Nasdaq now down at nearly 2%. Apple shares have been trading low today. That's one contributor, but not the only one. It could be higher rates, by the way. 4.25 is what the 10-year yield hit earlier on. And after a closely followed analyst estimated that Apple cut iPhone 16 orders by 10 million units, this news comes as the company faces increased pressure in China as well, one of its largest markets, and growing smartphone competition there, with shares down almost 3%. Let's bring in Deidre Bosa for more in today's Tech Check. Deirdre?
Hey, Kelly. So Apple's China issues, they're becoming an AI issue. Ahead of the rollout of Apple Intelligence next week, Huawei just launched its own AI features through an upgrade to its Harmony OS system. Apple, meanwhile, it's stuck in limbo on the AI front in China. It can't release Apple Intelligence features because Beijing has banned foreign-developed AI models like ChatGPT, which is now going to be integrated. Now, Apple has to secure a local partner to power its features, raising all of these questions around data sovereignty and privacy. So if you're a consumer looking to upgrade your smartphone in China and you're interested in the latest AI features, you're going to go with a homegrown brand. And if you're an investor hoping for an iPhone upgrade cycle powered by AI, China is not going to help. Keep in mind, China represents Apple's third largest market by total revenue. Sales, though, have been under pressure ever since Huawei releasate its new line of Mate series, and especially foldable phones that Chinese love, and that has really driven a surge in brand loyalty among consumers there. Now, Huawei may have the AI edge, which would hurt Apple's position even more going forward. Earlier this year, Apple fell out of the top 5 smartphone players in China. Huawei, meanwhile, it's growing its market share 41% annually. So not only has it pushed Apple further down this list, but it is quickly widening that gap. Apple just announced a public beta of its ChatGPT integration. That's good news if you're looking for more AI features in the U.S. But Kelly, going back to that Ming-Chi Kuo note you referenced at the top, he says there's no evidence that AI is driving upgrades. For Chinese consumers, though, research firm Canalys found that they are more willing to pay extra for AI features. But if they're looking for that in an iPhone, there's really no plan, no end in sight when they're going to get that, even if we are getting it over here. And it's, as I said, a really key market.
I walked into the Verizon store last night, Deirdre, and walked out with this puppy. Maybe 20 minutes later, it's a 16. It's a regular.
Is that the 16?
Not a Pro. Yep. $930, but I got a $730 rebate for handing in the prior phone, which was completely cracked and unusable. Not a bad deal.
Wow.
And as I understand it,
wow.
I don't know if this one will get the AI features next week, but I saw that AT&T shares were we're at a 52-week high earlier today. And I don't know if it's the AI things in general driving the adoption cycle, but it's not a bad deal for consumers at this point to trade up if it's been a couple years.
No, and how much did the AI features play into that, Kelly?
Zero. The other one broke, but I'm curious to mess around with them, but I don't even know if they're on. I guess they'll be on this one.
Then I think you're like most people. I think that you have to actually see if these AI features are really useful. And again, like you said, we're going to get them kind of piecemeal. There's an integration today. There's the first wave next week, more and more later. And so, like, if you're skeptical, China is where consumers actually really care about this stuff, and they're not going to get it through an iPhone.
All right, Deirdre, for now, thanks. And then everyone's making fun of me for the pink case, but I had to keep it in my pocket, so it had to be. It's whatever inventory. I am past the point of caring. You know what I mean? It's like, get it, get out. Deirdre, thanks very much.
I like it. It suits you.